Hello everyone. Communication network. Important multiple choice questions and answers. First question. A computer network is an interconnection between dash. Option B. More than one computer is the correct answer. Next question. The physical topology transmission is dash. Option D. All the above. Unicast, multicast, broadcast. All the answers are right. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. MAN full form is dash. Option A. Metropolitan Area Network is the correct answer. Next question. It consists of a set of rules that governs data communication. Option B. Protocol is the correct answer. Next question. OSI full form is dash. OSI full form is Open System Interconnection. Option A is the correct answer. An open system is a set of dash protocol. Option A. The function of data link layer. All the above. Framing, physical addressing, flow control. All the answers are right. So option D is the correct answer. All the above. The functions of transport layer is dash. Option D. All the above. Port addressing, segmentation and reassemble, connection control. Option D is the correct answer. All the above. The session layer is the network dash. Option C. Dialog controller is the correct answer. Option C. Dialog controller is the correct answer. The function of presentation layer is dash. Option D. All the above. Translation, encryption, compression. Full form of FTAM. Option A. File transfer, access and management. Option A. File transfer, access and management is the correct answer. The common network devices are dash. All the above. Hub, switch, bridge. All the answers are right. So option D is the correct answer. Centralized device that connects many devices to share data is dash. Hub. Option B. Hub. Device that connects many other devices together to make a network is dash. Switch. Option A is the correct answer. Regenerates the signal is called dash. Repeaters. Option B. How many types of switched network? Option B. 3 types of switched networks. Datagram switching is done at the network layer. Datagram switching is done at the network layer. Option C. Full form of TCP IP. Option B. TCP. Transmission Control Protocol. IP. Internet Protocol. Option B is the correct answer. Transmission Control Protocol. Internet Protocol. Full form of SLIP. Serial Line Internet Protocol. Option A is the correct answer. Point-to-point protocol is dash. Point-to-point protocol is a data link layer protocol. Option B. Point-to-point protocol is a data link layer protocol. Option B. In the layer hierarchy, as the data packets move from upper to lower layer, header of dash. Option A. Added is the correct answer. Next question. The structure or format of data is called dash. Option A. Syntax. Communication between a computer and a keyboard involves dash transmission. Option D. Simplex transmission. The first network was called dash. ARPANET. Option D. ARPANET is the correct answer. Next question. A dash is a physical path over which a message travels. Option B. Medium. Which of this not a network edge device? Option D. Switch. Dash is a set of rules that governs data communication. Option A. Protocols is the correct answer. 3 or more devices shares a link dash connection. Option B. Multi-point. When connections of various computers seems a single coherent system to its client, then it is called dash distributed system is the correct answer. Which of the following computer network is built on top of another network? Option D. Overlay network. Option D is the correct answer. In computer network nodes are dash. Option D. All of the above. The computer that originates the data, the computer that routes the data, the computer that disseminates the data. All the answers are right. So option D is the correct answer. All of the above. Communication channel is shared by all the machines on the network in dash. Option A. Broadcast network. A dash is a device that forwards packets between networks by processing the routing information included in the packet. Option C. Router is the correct answer. A list of protocol used by a system. One protocol per layer is called dash. Option B. Protocol stack is the correct answer. Network congestion occurs dash. In case of traffic overloading. Network congestion occurs in case of traffic overloading. Which of the following networks extend a private network across the public network? Which of the following network extends a private network across the public network? Option B. Virtual private network. The physical layer is concerned with dash. Bit by bit delivery is the correct answer. The physical layer is concerned with bit by bit deliver. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Which transmission media provides the highest transmission speed in a network? Option C. Optical fiber. Bits can be sent over guided and unguided media as analog signal by dash. Option A. Digital modulation is the correct answer. The portion of physical layer that interfaces with the media as is control. Sublayer is called dash. Option A. Physical signaling sublayer is the correct answer. Next question. The physical layer is responsible for dash. All the above. Line coding, channel coding, modulation. All the answers are right. So option D is the correct answer. All of the above. Next question. Wireless transmission of signal can be done via dash. Option D. All of the above. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared. All the answers are right. So option D is the correct answer. All of the above. Next question. A local telephone network is an example of dash network. Option B. Circuit switch. Option B is the correct answer. Circuit switch is the correct answer. Most packet switches use this principle. Option B. Store and forward. Most packet switches use this principle. Option B. Store and forward. Next question. In dash system, resources are allocated on demands. Option A. Packet switching is the correct answer. Packet switching systems. Which of the following is not an application layer service? Option D. Error control. Next question. Which of this is not a constituent of residential telephone line? Option C. A low speed downstream channel is the correct answer. Next question. HFC contains dash. A combination of fiber cable and coaxial cable. HFC contains a combination of fiber cable and coaxial cable. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. Starband provides dash. D. Satellites. Satellite access is the correct answer. Starband provides satellite access. Next question. Application layer is implemented in dash. N system. Option A is the correct answer. These all questions are very important for Anna University online examination. If you prepare for GATE examination, TANCET examination, any other competitive examination, these all questions are very important. Thanks for watching.